Hello and welcome to today's video in which I'm going to add to my flower collection in the form of a poppy pin. So let's go get started. So for this tutorial I'll be using red, green and black clay, and I'll start by rolling out the red clay. It's been through the pasta roller, but I like to go over with my acrylic roller as well. And I need to cut out basically 5 little circles, and I'll go around the edges just with a wet wipe just to ensure that they're nice and clean. And I'll also just flatten the edges as well on the one that's going to be the base. So I'll just pop that on some greaseproof paper. So for the petals, I'm just going to cut in ever so slightly and then really try and sort of pull that clay out a little. And again I'll flatten the edges with my wet wipe, and I want to curve it ever so slightly really, so once I'm happy with that I'll place it onto the base, and I'll add the second like so, just on the opposite side. And the third, like so, just over the original 2. And here's the fourth, nice and easy. And with my large ball tool, I'll just create a nice little indentation in the centre, and that's where my green clay will go, like so. Now with my black clay, I've just need to create some really thin little lines, like so. I'll add them on with my scalpel, and I basically need to go around like a clock, just adding those, and there's the last one. And finally all I need to do is just to create a load of little black balls of clay, like so, and I'll need to basically go round in a circle. So there we go, and I think it needs a second layer actually, so I'm going to go around again, adding some more little black balls. And now my little poppy is ready to bake. And at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of Polymer clay's baking instructions. And once it's baked and cooled, I'll add a little pin attachment. So I'm using a 2-part epoxy glue here, so it's araldite, and I just want to work out where I want that to go, so decided on here. And I need to keep it nice and high actually, just so it's got a good weight once it's dry. So my little poppy is all done. Oh, and if you're interested, I've also got a tutorial on how to make a full 3D poppy, just like this one, so I'll leave that link below if you're interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.